Hey, welcome guys, Adeleke Samuel here, and in this video I will show you a simple but powerful hack to know who your competitors are targeting on Facebook, and I'll also show you the smartest way in which you can utilize this information to target the same audience for better conversion. This will save you research time as you will have an idea of who to target and also make you launch your advert very fast with certainty of getting a good and better result. Okay, without further ado guys, let's get started with today's tutorial. Okay guys, so welcome back. Now in this video, what I'll be showing you is very legit because it is from Facebook itself, directly from Facebook itself. Now this is an hack most people don't know about, or they are not talking about it, and trust me, this looks like a very simple hack, but trust me, it is very powerful if you know how to use it, and that's what I'll be showing you in this tutorial. So guys, if you are new to my channel, please do well to subscribe, hit the subscribe button below, and also turn on the bell notification, and also please do like this video so that YouTube can show it to more people looking for similar solution. Okay guys, so welcome back. Here is the thing: you can either use your mobile phone, your smartphone, or you use your laptop. The reason I'm using my laptop is because I'm recording a video, right? So you can either use any of your devices, it will still work better. Do you get it now? So let's continue with today's tutorial. Now the first thing you want to do is this: you want to log into your account on Facebook, either to your account on Facebook on any of your devices, either mobile or on on your laptop. So either of the two is okay. So make sure you log into your Facebook account, then start scrolling through your news feed. Now I want to believe if you have competitors, you should have made research about your competitor, because one of the marketing research you make aside your product research, you should also look out for competitors that you are in the same niche. Do you get it now? So I'm very certain you might have done this competitors research for a long period of time, and I'm very certain you are probably seeing some of their adverts. Do you get it now? So Facebook should be showing you some of your competitors adverts. Now here is the thing: if Facebook is not showing you that is fine. There is a way you can actually get it done, because the info that we need to get for us to know, okay, this is the category of people that your competitors are targeting, you need to see the advert first. Do you get it now? So how do you see the advert? Facebook shows the advert, not like there is a way you can tell Facebook, show me this advert. Do you get it now? Yeah, there is a way actually, which I'll be discussing, but I'm trying to say there is no direct way of you saying, okay, Facebook is the advert I want to see, but there is a way you can actually get it done, and that's what I'll be showing you. So in case you are not seeing your competitors advert, now here is the thing: you don't even necessarily need to see your direct competitors advert. It could be advert of people you are in the same niche. Do you get it now? Because you are trying to get an idea of people that they are targeting. Do you get it now? So what do you do now in case Facebook is not showing you your competitors advert, the advert you want to see? What can you do? You need to trigger. So the first thing is you want to trigger Facebook. You want to trigger Facebook algorithm to start showing you advert of the type of product or the type of business that you are interested in. So how do you do that? There are different ways to do that. You can go to, there was a time I created a tutorial on how you can spy on your competitor. So if you have not seen that tutorial, I will advise you to go watch the tutorial. I would put the link in this description below, and you can as well see the link that you're currently seeing on your screen. I'm not teaching you something that is not legit here. Everything I teach you is directly from Facebook itself. You might not just know how to use it. Do you get it now? So if you have not seen that tutorial, I would advise you to go see it. So try to spy on your competitors, go through their funnels, study what they are doing and improve on what they are doing. So just go see that tutorial. So you want to trigger Facebook that, okay, Facebook, these are the category of advert that you should start showing me. Do you get it now? So you can just come to Facebook Ads Library, search for if you're in a particular niche, just search for, okay, let me say I sell smartwatch a lot. Do you get it now? I can just search for smartwatch here and Facebook will show me. So these are what's it called? These are adverts related to what's it called? Vegetable slicer. So what I can do is I'll just click on shop now. Like, I'll just spend a lot of time going through these pages, clicking on the adverts, going to their pages. Now I'll not place fake order. That's what I will not do. Do you get it now? But I'll just go through their sales pages, read their sales pages, and do stuff like that. You get? Can you see this is a nice product? Actually, think yeah, I once sold this product. Yeah, I once sold this product, and I think I still have one. Okay, let's continue with why we are here. So you just play around. You can just dedicate few minutes to researching businesses that are selling the same or similar products that you are selling. It could be product, it could be services or something. Do you get it now? Or it could even be digital product as well. So just search, go through their funnel, spend some time, and just spend some minutes. Trust me, when you are done, you can as well go to Facebook itself, use the Facebook inner search bar, search for this same thing, search, click on it, like just play around this old stuff, then revisit your Facebook. You'll be stunned with the amount of the amount of adverts that Facebook will be showing you now. Facebook will be showing you similar adverts. Then from there you can start seeing what's it called, the interest and the type of audience that they are targeting. Simple. This thing is simple but logical. Do you get it now? So that's the first thing you want to do. You want to make sure you trigger Facebook algorithm to start showing you the advert that you are interested in. Okay guys, so once you have done that, now the next thing is to log into your Facebook account, either on your mobile device or on your laptop. Either of the devices is okay. So you want to scroll through your Facebook newsfeed, because Facebook will definitely show you what adverts. So it is those adverts that they show you. It is from there, okay, you see your competitor's advert or something, or adverts that are related to what you are selling. So you have an idea of, okay, this is the set of people that these people are targeting, or that this business is targeting. Do you get it now? So how do you do that? Very, very simple. So just click on these three dots and you will see this this menu. Why am I seeing this advert? You click on it. Now Facebook will show you this. Can you see? Why you are seeing, only you can see this. You are seeing this ad because your information matches the business name. There could also be more factors not listed here. Can you see? So Facebook will show you, okay, can you see PadMate tag is trying to reach people ages 18 and above, which means in their ad set level they are targeting people that are 18 years and what above. Now what are the interests that they are targeting? They are targeting people. Can you see the full list of interests that is related to this ad? You can remove the interest from your profile. So these are actually interests that these are keywords that you have shown interest in. That's why Facebook is showing you related adverts. So if you are targeting people interested in this, it means they would have given Facebook, like, okay, see Facebook, I'm interested in music, sports, tourism, running, music festival, and the likes. Do you get it now? So what you want to do, you can just note down most of these interests. Can you see? Adventure, travel, music festivals, running, tourism, sport. So what you are seeing here, look at what we are promoting. Now look at what they are promoting. They are selling what? Airports, right? So it is similar to the interest that they have shown us is quite useful. Can you see? This is what a earphone. So that is that about that. So let's look at another advert. Now this is even what's it called, this is not a physical product now. So what I'm trying to show here is it could be digital product, physical product, or even for services. So this is actually a speech to text software, or a text to speech software. Yeah, it is a text to speech software. Now let's look at the category of people that they are targeting. Then you go to why am I saying this ad? Now you see, can you see? Speechlo is trying to reach people who speak English UK and English US. Speechlo is trying to reach people ages 18 and above. Now look at this. These are the interests that they are targeting: digital marketing, search engine optimization, video editing. These are the category of people that will need it. That's just it. Because marketers will need it. SEO, probably a blogger, so you need stuff like this, or video editing, you create video content, you get. So these are the category of people that are interested in their offer. Okay, so let's look at another advert. Now this is like a tracker. Can you see? This can be used to track keys, wallets, and bags, right? So let's assume you are selling a security gadget, or a security gadget that can help to track our stuff. What do? Just can see what they are targeting, just to have an idea. And I'll tell you how to validate this interest, so you don't just jump into your Facebook ad manager. All right, so can you see? JFinder is trying to reach people, can you see, that are interested in smartwatch and GPS devices. Can you see that? And not just that, they're also trying to reach people that are what? Engaged shoppers. Can you see? Engaged shoppers. There is a tutorial that I did. Just go see the tutorial. Now you can target rich people. I also put the link in the description below, or just visit the link you are currently seeing on your screen. You should also see people that have money that can pay for what you are selling. Can you see? So they're also trying to reach people that are between the ages of 18 and 64. You know, there is 64 and there is also 65 and above in the age range that Facebook provides you. So they actually limited it to what? 18 to 64 only. Can you see? So this will give you an idea of who these people are targeting. So guys, so just to not waste our time, I can just go on and on showing you different adverts and showing you the interest that the business or brand is targeting. I can just go on and on showing you, because we have limited time. So here is the thing: once you have gotten the list of what's it called, interest that your business competitors or competitors are targeting, they might not even be your direct competitor, probably are in the same niche. Do you get it now? Once you have gotten the interest that they are targeting, what do you do next? You want to validate the interest. So you don't just assume, you want to validate the interest. And how do you validate the interest? You validate by testing. So what do you want to do? This is what you do. This is what advice you do. This is like the third step for you to take. Now go to your Facebook Ads Manager, then set up an advert. Now all of this interest that you already have, just put them in separate ad sets. Do you get it now? Use a single interest per ad set, then use the same advert across the whole ad set. Do you get it now? One campaign, multiple ad sets with one interest per ad set. Do you get it now? The interest you have gotten from the research you made, one interest per ad set, then use the same ad across all ad sets. So the only variable you'll be changing in this campaign is just the interest that you are targeting, or the audience that you are targeting. So run it, and the audience that gives you the best result should be the one you retain. So it is as simple as that. Do you get it now? So that's just all. Trust me, you'll be amazed with the type of result that you get. You don't need to rack your brain of Who am I to target? Just look at what people are already doing. Look at people that they are targeting already. Then you validate. So you don't just get it, you get them. You also what? Validate what you have gotten. So guys, it is as simple as that. I don't want to make this video long or longer than this. So guys, that will be the end of this tutorial. If you do got value from this video, please do well to like this video, drop a comment in the comment section, and also share the video with people that you think are interested in learning about this similar tutorial that I just shared with you for free. And guys, if you are new to my channel, do well to subscribe, hit the subscribe button below, and also turn on the bell notification so you never miss any of my valuable tutorial that I publish every Thursday. Make sure you subscribe and also turn on the bell notification so you get notified immediately I publish this video. Okay guys, so that will be the end of this tutorial, and I will see you in my next tutorial. Bye for now.